Okay, guys, so I'm just going to really quickly run through how to do the activity for today. If you were not in class, this is the activity we did Monday. If you are not in class, this is how you are going to do the activity. If you are in class and you start to get confused, obviously, here's a little helpful tutorial for how to do it. So it is two parts, but right now we're going to focus on part one, which if you're in class, you were told that you have 12 minutes to do this. That is more than enough time. I did it in half that amount of time, but my computer does move faster. So it says to toss the coin using this coin tossing website. If you have a coin at home, you can use that. If you have, it doesn't matter. If you have a coin sitting next to you, if you want to go scrounge around to find a quarter, a nickel, a penny, it doesn't matter. You can do it at home. I just think that this might be faster. Plus, not everybody has change lying around. So the first thing you need to do is to click on the generator. Okay. It's going to pop up. You'll see it up here. Now, in order to make this really, really simple, what you are going to do is pull out the window. Okay, you saw I just grabbed it off the top. And you're going to minimize this window. You can actually get it really, really small. Okay. And you're also going to minimize the window that it's in. So that way you can have them side by side. Okay, and now the benefit of having them side by side is that you can see them both at the same time now, and it's going to make everything go by super quick. So it says that you are going to record by marking an X whether it landed on heads or tails. Do this 10 times. Record on the table at the left and the trial one line. So for trial one, after trial one, you should have 10 X's combined in heads and tails. Okay, so this super quick. So here's my coin. Gonna randomly flip heads. So I put an X in heads. Randomly flip tails. Put an X in tails. Randomly flip heads. Flip tails. So now that's 4. Make sure you're counting. Okay. Randomly flip tails. That's 5. Flip tails. That's 6. Flip tails, 7, flip, tails, it's going to give us 8, 9, and 10. Now, if you think you lost count, right, it's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, you're going to toss the coin another 10 times and do that in the line marked trial 2. Same thing. Flip, tails, X, flip. And you're going to continue to do this until you have 100 flips, so 10 in each line. Then you're going to calculate the totals. You're going to have to count them all up and then give the percentage. Once you do that, and that should only take you about 12 minutes, if that. It probably should take you less. But you're going to put the data in the Google spreadsheet. When this opens, the first thing you need to do is make sure you're in the correct class. So you can see at the bottom I have periods 2, 4, and 8. So if you're in period 2, what you would do is you put your name, how many times you flipped heads, and how many times you flipped tails. Okay. That's the first part.